Hey folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. We're going to talk about the Vaultek RS Slider Series, the 200i. And this is the unit. It comes, you can use it in two different configurations, vertical or horizontal. And I did a longer video on this of the unboxing and all the features of this, so this is going to be a shorter version. So on this unit, like I said, you can use it two different configurations, vertical or horizontal. Horizontal, you open it up and just put your stuff in it. The vertical you can get with a vertical kit, and when you open this up, so it slides out, you can buy the accessory kit that you can do stuff vertical, the shorter rifles, guns, and then pistols and any other items, whether mags or anything like that. But this unit, there's 5 different ways to get in it. You can use a little nano key. You can use the secure phone app, the key, which is in my finger here. You can do the backup key over here on the top of the unit. And then you can do biometric or the keypad push that you saw me do. So this is a really handy unit to put in the house under a bed. Do it vertical like this if you want it in a closet or something. If you have any questions about the Vaultek RS Slider Series, the 200i, give us a call at one of our 3 locations. Go to that website right down there, thesafehouse.com, and give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions about this or any other Vaultek products.